Hi friends, welcome to Rashtriya Fashions. Today in video we are going to see semi-bridal lehenga, price just for 1500. So this is all exclusive lehenga in soft net fabric with the satin lining. So this will be the lining and the canvas border and this full embroidery and lightweight lehenga. So you can see the full flare lehenga. So lehenga will be full flare and price just for 1500 rupees. And I'll show you the dupatta and blouse. So dupatta will be 2.25 dupatta with the border. So this will be the dupatta, and this all are pastel color and light color. So this will be the dupatta for that, and blouse with the lining. So this is the blouse, front, back and sleeves will get, and dupatta and blouse will be 1 meter. So you can see just a long blouse also. So lehenga you can see this color, peach color, and price just for 1500 rupees. And you can buy from our website also, rajshrifashion.in. Next color in light pink color, baby pink with silver and gold zari mix with the thread embroidery, and inside the satin lining. So the lehenga will be full flare lehenga and price just for 1500 rupees. This all are semi bridal lehenga and semi stitch lehenga, and the dupatta will be with the motifs and the border. So lightweight lehenga and affordable rate just for 1500 rupees, and blouse you will get in the front, back, sleeves. So this all exclusive lehenga, new arrival, just for price 1500 rupees. And if you want to buy, you can buy through our website also, rajshrifashion.in, and just take the screenshot and you can WhatsApp also. The WhatsApp link given in the description, just for 1500 rupees. Next lehenga in light coffee brown with full neem zari and thread embroidery, and lightweight lehenga, semi bridal lehenga, price just for 1500 rupees, exclusive lehenga and semi stitch. And if you want, you can buy through our website, rajshrifashion.in, and if you like it, you can take the screenshot and you can WhatsApp also. So both options are available, and payment you can make through Phone Pay, Google Pay, bank transfer, and we don't have COD facility. And dupatta with the 4-side border, and this will be the blouse with lining. So inside the satin lining and blouse you will get the work in front, and this with the black sleeves. So everything has been given. So just you have to side stitch and you have to stitch the blouse. Now the price just 1500 rupees. The MRP of lehenga is 4000, but now we are giving just 1500 rupees. So very exclusive lehenga, lightweight lehenga in golden color with gold zari and thread embroidery with the self thread work. Price just for 1500 rupees, and very exclusive lehenga. So lehenga will be a semi stitch, just you have to side stitch. You have to side stitch the lehenga, and the lining has been given inside, just for 1500 rupees. And dupatta will be 2.25 with the 4-side border. So this will be the dupatta with the 4-side border, and in between you get a booty of this lehenga design. And blouse you will get a front, back and sleeves with the lining. And this all exclusive lehenga. The MRP of lehenga is 4000, but now we are giving just 1500 rupees. So if you like the design, you can buy through our website also, and otherwise you can take a screenshot and WhatsApp number given below in the description. And we do international shipping also, and we ship worldwide. In India we ship shipping charge be 100 rupees, and international depends on the weight. Lehenga in peach color with the neem zari, self zari work with the thread embroidery. So lehenga will be a lightweight lehenga and full flare lehenga, and inside the given satin lining. So this will be the satin lining, and we have good response in these collections. This is the second time we are launching this same collections, and very affordable price, just 1500 rupees. And dupatta will get with the 4-side border, with the border and the booty, and the blouse with the lining we are given. So no need to buy the lining for the blouse. So this will the blouse, front, back, sleeves, everything has been given. So if you like the design, you can buy from our website, rajshrifashion.in. Otherwise you can just take a screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below in the description, just for 1500 rupees. In green color with the self zari work and the thread embroidery with all over work. So lehenga will be all over work and semi stitch lehenga, bridal lehenga, just for 1500 rupees, and lightweight lehenga. So we have all single piece. If you like the design, you can buy through our website. Otherwise you just take a screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below in the description, just for 1500 rupees. And this will be the dupatta with the 4-side border, and this is the blouse with the lining, front and back work. So lehenga will be full flare lehenga just for 1500 rupees. So don't miss this offer, and you can buy through our website. Thank you and thanks for watching this video. If you like, just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below.